Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to test some more PlayStation on the retro game. We're going to do let's say more extended testing just to see how are all the games running and what can you expect if you're interested in PlayStation 1 and with the retro game. Alright, stay tuned and let's go and let's power it on because it's still off. Green light, it's time for some action. Oh man, it's empty. Where's the charge cable? Oh man. Alright, first game, final fight. Let's see how this runs. Can I skip the shit? Yes, I can skip the shit. Alright. Here, top corner, you can see the frame rate. How much the CPU has been used with or in use with the game itself that is playing. Alright, let's go. Every time he needs to load up. Loading times are quite fast. Loading times, yes. Right, very quick. And again, loading time. Yes, how annoying. That is what we call back at the late 90s, beginning of the 2000 millennium. A lot of loading times, yes. Right, let's go. Ah, we have another button. Oh yeah. Roadhouse. Stop blocking. Security! Oh, here just are they seriously? Are they now shooting with guns? Limo. Get up. Here they come. I missed him. So this game runs pretty fine. It's not even using all of the CPU power, so that is good. Right, let's try some Gran Turismo. Woohoo! So you can see some games like Fighting Force are good, playable, or pretty damn decent emulated, but this game, 43, 42 frames. This runs even under the PAL 50 frames, so this is pretty choppy. If you can live with it, it's fine, but I can't. A little bit less loud. Loading times, yes. Alright. Alright. Widescreen. Ah, something's happening. Okay, fun fact. You can see that it's even running on 100%, and that's for a basic two-dimensional game. Or basic, you know what I mean with this. It's a beautiful game, but still for two-dimensional, you wouldn't expect it. But nevertheless, it runs 60 frames, dropping to 56, 55. Let's see if I do a super move. I can get one out. Right, let's adjust the joystick. No, nothing is happening. But this game is playable. Let's try one of my favorite games. That's nice. So far so good. It's loading. Seems to be running on 60 frames. Only very great example that you need to remap your buttons, because I can't shoot in any way. I have my turbo button, but that's basically it. I can't shoot, so it's a little bit unplayable at this moment. Even speeding up. Whee! So the next game is Medal of Honor. And let's see. Alright, so let's see how long the loading takes. This is a totally different game. Some games are pretty fast, but this one is pretty decent too. Alright. Three-dimensional shooter. Let's see. You can see even when standing still, it's not getting to the 60 frames. CPU is 100% use. I don't really think of this, but I think it's really playable. This guy doesn't go down. Right, so let's play Mega Man X6 and let's see how this thing is running. It's a two-dimensional game. So far so good. Alright, so that concludes this testing of the PlayStation 1 on the Retro Game 2-year anniversary edition. I just want to point out that there are a lot of different versions out there, so this video is specially made for the 2-year anniversary edition, or this version. As you can see, a lot of games are running pretty decent and are just playable on this device. Very cool, but not all of them. So I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for more awesome Wicked content, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.